the assembly was pretty simple. And I'm gonna go get my kids from school now and leave it here for surprise. Do you like it?
Yes.
Who's gonna drive it first?
Me.
As always, me. Okay, let's get in the car. Can you guys fit in? Tommy, can you get in? From another side? Yeah, I think it's a little bit too small for you guys. Yeah, it's a little bit too small. Oh, you guys grow fast. Okay, oh yeah, it is kind of small. No way. Oh no, you guys overgrown this toy now. Oh. Do you know what? Oh, Tommy, you're gonna be backseat driver probably. Oh, you're gonna ride like this. Okay, okay, that's fun. And to turn it on, I guess I'll show you guys how to turn it on later. Ready to ride. He's a little bit too big for this car, I guess. Over here is the speed. Over here is speed. It's a rabbit. It's gonna be the fastest one, I guess. This one is a turtle, right? Will be the slowest one. And then there's a shifter to go forward, parking, or reverse. And this one, when you press, can you press here? And let's see what's gonna happen. Oh wow! So it's can dump the trash and can you close this? Can you close this? Okay, thank you. So you got a shovel over here, and you can open up, and when it's dropping, so all the trash go down. So it's fully functional car. And let's start the car. You ready to ride? You need to probably go, yeah, drive mode and drive. It also comes with a remote, and you can basically use the remote completely to manage the car going forward. Wait. Can you switch to the forward? Okay, it's forward now? Okay. So over here is a parking, I guess. Let's see if it's working now. Okay, now it's working. So over here is the letter P, it's a parking, so car will not move when you press the forward. You go forward, and it can go reverse as well. And you can change the speed right over here. Go faster, go slow, and you can turn left or turn right. But I'm gonna let my son ride the car because he's cool. Are you a good driver?
Yeah.
Did you get a driver license?
No.
Oh no, but it's okay. We're gonna ride over the walk over here, right? Sidewalk. Okay, let's go.
Music appreciation.